Do you want to know how you can check your daily streaks in Elsa Speak? If yes, then this video is specially for you. Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you from where you can check your daily streaks in Elsa Speak. Go ahead and open Elsa Speak, which is on your phone. Now you can see the thunder option, which is on the top right hand corner of your screen. Tap on it and you can see your streak over here. So you will get 5 points daily for the number of days you have kept the streak. So in day 1 you will get 5 points, in day 2 10, in day 3 15, in day 4 20, in day 5 25, in day 6 30, and after 7 days you will get 50 points. So this is how you check your streaks. All you need to do is open Elsa Speak, which is on your phone, and tap on the thunder icon, which is on the top right hand corner of your screen. You can see that my daily streak is 1, and if my daily streak is 2, I will get 2 thunder marks on my Elsa Speak. So all you need to do is tap on thunder icon and you can check your daily streaks in Elsa Speak. I hope this video about how you can check your daily streaks in Elsa Speak was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.